what's up everybody? It's Stacey Storino. Welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for entrepreneur moms who are engaging in content marketing so that they can drive traffic to their business in order to do business. Now, if you're like, Stacey, I need a content marketing strategy for Instagram. I run out of ideas, and I know it's a good idea to post to Instagram stories daily, have at least one great feed post a week, an IGTV video once a week, do a live once a week. Like, I'll run out of things to say or create, won't I? What do I do? Well, if you're saying that, then that's why I made this video to give you a 2020 Instagram content marketing strategy. Let's do this, mama. So make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get real world help that entrepreneur moms like you need to succeed when you're marketing your business online and through social media today. But before I forget, in my recent video, how to use Instagram to grow your YouTube channel, I shared some tips to help you send traffic from Instagram to your YouTube channel in a variety of ways. And most every entrepreneur either has a YouTube channel for business purposes or that's on their to-do list. So be sure when you're done watching this video that you check that other video out. Okay, moving on. Tip 1, post daily. I'm not saying you have to do a feed post daily, but you most certainly should be creating Instagram content daily. One day you can publish a feed post. The next day, an IGTV video. The next day, you can do a live stream and repackage the replay as an IGTV video. You can create an Instagram reel. You should cover your Instagram story base 1 to 3 times daily, and that's easy to do if you're creating reels because you can publish them as an Instagram story content too. If you don't know much, if anything, about reels and you want to know how to get 3 pieces of Instagram content for the price of 1 reel, I would recommend that you watch my Instagram Reels playlist on this YouTube channel because it will get you up to speed way fast. Then you'll be creating an Instagram Reel at least once a day that can populate as a reel, a piece of Instagram story content, and a feed post all at the same time. And I recommend that highly, highly, highly. It will grow your Instagram account like crazy right now. You might even have a higher than normal chance of making the Instagram Explore page for other users too. The longer you wait to follow through on this tip, the more unlikely you will get that boost. Right now, there's way more Instagram Reels consumers or viewers than creators. Jump on that trend, mama. But posting some form of Instagram content daily is just part of my 2020 Instagram content marketing strategy. Next, tip 2, leverage insights. I recommend that all entrepreneurs have an Instagram business account, not a personal account. So if you follow that advice, you'll have access to your Instagram insights. Those are analytics that can help you to, amongst other things, see what posts, stories, and so forth your audience is consuming the most, when they're on the app the most, and so forth. That information will help guide you more and more with every 7-day period what to publish and even when to publish it for best results. So don't ignore your analytics. Make sure you check them and make your content marketing decisions moving forward from week to week in light of the data you see. You can't manage what you don't measure, as the saying goes. So that will help to improve your 2020 Instagram content marketing strategy as time goes on, for sure. But wait, you've also got tip 3, multiple exposures. It's been said that more than 60% of people need to see something 3 to 4 times before they buy it. So while I would not recommend that you keep reposting the same content because people fatigue on that very quickly and will unfollow you or just not bother with you so much, and that'll hurt your standing with respect to the Instagram algorithm, I would say to take a product, let's say, and feature it first in a feed post with a very detailed description. Then I'd spotlight it in a piece of Instagram story content. Then I'd do a quick 15-second Instagram reel about it. And then I'd have an IGTV video that does a deep dive about it. Then I'd talk about it and or do a demo of it or using using it during live. What do I mean? See what I mean? Like, that's just, your conversions might just increase. So having a content and calendar and planning out your content creation and publication patterns so that your products have multiple exposures to your Instagram audience should be part of your 2020 Instagram marketing strategy. Next, tip 4, work the 5 rings. I teach my students that there are 5 rings to content marketing: content planning, content creation, content optimization, content publication, and content multiplication. I just mentioned a content calendar, and you should totally have one and use it so that you can plot out what you're going to publish to Instagram every single day. Content creation, you should plan out time to do that, and that's what a great power hour is for, even if you don't have an hour straight in your schedule. I have a short playlist of videos that will help you find the time for content creation. So make sure you watch that, especially as a busy entrepreneur mom. That information will come in super handy. You want to schedule out your content publication for sure, and that content calendar will help you with that. And I have videos on this channel that will come in handy too, but I really and truly want you to optimize your content as well on Instagram so that you increase your chances of being found by not just anyone on Instagram, but an ideal customer who has buyer intent or is ready to buy. So make sure you check out my video, Blow Up Your Instagram, with this hashtag strategy so that you can enjoy better content optimization of every single piece of content you publish to that platform. And content multiplication, that will save you time and can even help you in terms of content planning and reduce the amount of time you spend in terms of content publication. So if you're interested in many helpful suggestions to help you brainstorm through all of that, you definitely want to check out my video, How to Create More Content on Instagram. That's going to make you so happy, mama. But if you're like, look, Stacey, all that's cool, but you know what? I'm just starting out on Instagram, and I can't seem to get out of the single or double digits in terms of my followers. Can you help me grow some more? Well, then you want to stay tuned for the next video in this series, which is entitled Get Your First 100 Followers on Instagram. That'll be a big help for you when growing your following on that platform, and you'll do it the right way instead of the wrong way. And actually, now that I think about it, there's more than one wrong way to go about trying to grow your following. So you'll be sure to want to watch that video so you don't just grow your followers, but you grow a community of followers who are more likely than not ideal customers, who should, would, and will become buyers of your products and or services. In the meantime, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and select all so that you can follow along with this entire Instagram series that I've got to offer you. Be sure to check out these 2 awesome videos too, because they'll teach you great content marketing strategies that can help to blow up your business. And of course, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.